If your car stalls, struggles to start, or feels sluggish when you hit the gas, a bad fuel pump might be the issue. Stick around, and I'll walk you through the symptoms to look for. If you're into straightforward car repair videos, hit that like button and subscribe. It really supports the channel. Symptom 1. Trouble starting the engine. One of the first signs of a bad fuel pump is difficulty starting the engine. If the pump isn't delivering enough fuel to the engine, your car may crank longer than normal or fail to start altogether. Symptom 2. Engine stalling. A failing fuel pump can cause your engine to stall, especially at higher temperatures. This happens because the pump isn't maintaining consistent fuel pressure, cutting off the engine unexpectedly. Symptom 3. Loss of power. Under load. Does your car feel like it's losing power when going uphill towing or accelerating hard? A bad fuel pump might not be able to keep up with the increased demand for fuel, causing sluggish performance. Symptom 4. Whining noise from the fuel tank. A failing fuel pump often makes a high-pitched whining or humming noise, which you can usually hear coming from the fuel tank. If you notice this noise while the engine is running, it's a sign the pump may be wearing out. Symptom 5. Poor fuel efficiency. If the fuel pump isn't working efficiently, your car might burn more fuel than normal. This happens because the pump could be sending too much or too little fuel, throwing off the air-fuel mixture. Symptom 6. Engine misfires or hesitation. A bad fuel pump can cause your engine to misfire, hesitate, or sputter, especially when accelerating. This is because inconsistent fuel delivery disrupts combustion, making the engine run rough. Symptom 7. No start condition. If the fuel pump fails completely, your car won't start at all. Without proper fuel pressure, the engine can't get the fuel it needs to run, leaving you stranded. What causes a fuel pump to fail? Fuel pumps can wear out over time due to age contamination from dirty fuel or running the tank too low, which overheats the pump. Regular maintenance and keeping your tank at least a quarter full can help extend its life. If the fuel pump is failing, it will need to be replaced. This can be a complex job depending on your car, as many pumps are located inside the fuel tank. Be sure to check the fuel filter and pressure regulator as well, since they can cause similar symptoms. Thanks for watching. If you're still unsure about anything, let me know in the comments. I'll help however I can.